Ya sabes cuando te graba tu madre, ¿verdad?
No.
¿Eh?
¿Que ella no tiene tipo?
Sí tiene.
A ver. No, ya no.
Se te quitó, creo. Ya se te quita el hipo, ¿verdad, bebé?
No. ¿Sí? Se siente, no. Se siente raro.
Muy hermoso, bebé. Cush, 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 cush.
No, good afternoon, my kitty patooties. It's not morning, it is afternoon. And I'm sorry if I move my phone so much. It's a pain in the butt grabbing it. But I'm sorry. I have a huge headache. I'm sick every single day. So I went to okay, so tomorrow, April 8th, when you guys watch this, will be April 8th. So I don't know. Well, tomorrow, April 8th, my daughter's birthday. Yay! It's my daughter's birthday, Jamalet. So I was out shopping for her to buy her some gifts because, you know, we always like tell the kids, you want a party or you want a big gift, but not that big. So, and so she wants her big gift and she wants to go to Chuck E. Cheese. So we can afford that. That's all right. And I'm looking for her. I go to Toys R Us because she wanted a vanity set, and I'm thinking, hello, we have purchased so many there, and I go there and there was absolutely nothing. Like, what? I'm like, great. And tomorrow's her birthday. I'm not planning on giving it to her till Sunday, but still, if I like get it delivered, it won't be here on time. So I'm so mad because I'm not gonna be able to give her gift, and I gotta figure something out. And tomorrow we have an appointment with her, so it's not like I'm gonna go shop with her birthday present, you know, because I want to surprise her. But oh, it's a disaster. I'm just like, what the heck am I gonna do now? Where am I gonna get her gift from now? I went to Toys R Us and I went to Target. Nothing. Like, they have a bunch and so many cute ones online, but it takes like 3 to 5 days or whatever, and then they're like, oh, get it by April 21st. No. I'm so mad. I'm like, wow, if I would have known they didn't have these things in Toys R Us anymore, like, really? Are you serious? You don't have this in Toys R Us? I would have just ordered it online and that's it. But sorry guys, my glasses are annoying. I hate wearing glasses. Look at my eyes, you guys. That's how I look every single day. Qué fea, no hombre. Parezco una momia. But yeah guys, so now I'm here picking up Michelle. Oh, I also had a doctor's appointment for myself, so I went. And yeah, and then I'm here now picking up my Michelle, waiting for this little cutie patootie. She's such a cutie. And then I have little man in the back, of course, being a good boy, which he was a good boy in the doctor's, so I am happy about that. So yes, that's about it. Oh, and I ordered a salad because I was so hungry. I was like, I did not eat anything the whole day, and then I went to my house real quickly, prepared me a bagel, but I was like, oh my god, forcing it down my throat because it was so disgusting. But then whatever, after like my appointment or whatever, I went to McDonald's and I got a salad. It's called the Southwest salad or something like that. I bought one and I'm like, holy magali, this is so good. And I beasted on that. And I'm like, this is so fattening. I bet you, of course, McDonald's. So I was mad about that, but it tasted so good. And then I finished it because I ate it. Like I parked and I ate it right outside McDonald's. And then I go again to the window and open and order another one, you guys. Like, are you kidding me? I was like, but I didn't even eat it. Still right there, thinking like, oh my god, I'm starving. This is so good. And that's my song. You don't gotta go to work. Oh my god. He's horrible. He needs to get baptized. I think that's why he's so horrible. Ay! Oh guys. Alright, so I have to go pick up medicine for this little man because he has a really bad rash all over the body. And his skin is like so rough, bumpy, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, and I washed my hair because I hadn't washed my hair and it was so disgusting, and I washed it. Oh yeah, I guys tell you last night in the vlog. So it's nice and soft. I love it. It's so luscious. Alright guys, I'll see you later. You guys, I just woke up from a nap. Bye. No, I'm just kidding. No, literally I did. I fell asleep for a good an hour and a half, I don't know. And I'm still tired. Life is so difficult. I obviously went to pick up my kids. It's like 6 o'clock already and stuff. I feel tired, sick. My house is a mess. And my kids are home. You did? Yeah. Mom's gonna pick up a baby, right, Mommy? Hello, my cutie patooties. Remember to please stay happy, strong and positive. Remember to follow your dreams and accomplish them. Don't let no one put you down. Goodbye.